Hello my YouTubers again, this is Daniel Drepsky for this another video, like maybe at the construction. I don't know about this place, but we're gonna find out. Yeah, maybe gonna do some road work. That's probably fixing up the maybe like tree cutting. Holy crap. Now how the hell this driver has to get through now? There's gonna be a lot of traffic. Holy crap. Look at all those cars coming through there. And still today is July 6, 2023, and it's about 11:15 in the morning. This is the first 6 months they build this. That took like a little long while, but they did it. They completed it in January or February. Now what they doing right now anyway, and I have to stop this soon because I gotta get ready to go swimming at the swimming community area, the JFK, right down these hills. You're on camera. Maybe this truck's pulling away or something. Let's hope they're not going to chop any more trees and such. Look at this traffic. Probably they're going to fix the wire. Now what they doing? See and find out. Don't move. Now what they doing? I don't know if this is a construction video or just a different video. We're gonna find out.
Okay, there you go. That works.
and it's still a holdup. I gotta find the answer what they're doing. One of the cars are moving through there now. I believe, I think they're at the front of the place. We haven't done this, so I don't know. We're gonna find out. This is the first 6 months. Like, started on January 2nd, which was 6 months ago. We started during the series of the construction. Now what they doing? I see a wire attached. Yeah. I've been going over there almost every day. I gotta know what they're doing. I gotta see what they're doing. Maybe putting up a new cement or something. They're supposed to put some carts into that place like maybe like a month ago. When we had that soapbox derby, you had a chance. I think he's on top of the thing. Yep. Now what they doing? Maybe putting a new wire in there? I think it looks like they're fixing a wire. I'm still going to put this into the construction video series, since it's part of the construction works. We haven't done this series we haven't done this since 6 weeks ago. That we did it on May 22nd or 23rd. I don't know. Maybe you're gonna fix the wire. Well, there you have it. That's your second update, just for July 6, 2023. I'll see you maybe next time I give you more updates. And please try to comment or subscribe to ring the bell if you like this. Just take care and enjoy the other videos. Bye.